Good morning guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. On my previous video I mentioned that I'm heading out to go get a new part for the EcoBoost Mustang. That is correct. I'm actually on my way right now. It's hella early. I'm driving an hour away from my house to get the part. Hopefully it's worth it. From the title of the video you guys probably already know what it is. So yeah, pretty much just relax, sit back and just enjoy the video. Clean as freaking 5.0. He said he made a 700 wheel, but got some race stars. Not too bad. They actually look really clean, and I actually got it for a really good price. Okay, guys. So yeah, we're back home. As you guys can see, these are race stars, and these are Mickey's ET3Rs. Yeah, they're a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it up a little. ET3Rs, 305s, 45, 17. And I got lug nuts, which only go on these. So yeah, I might put on right now. These trash ass ones need to go. These are 275s. I don't get any traction on the first and the second gear, so pretty sure that will actually help. Okay, so next day, I got a little tired yesterday, but here I am. About to put these on right now. Gotta take these off. See how musty those are? How bad they actually look. I don't know how I had those on for a long time. Shouldn't have done that. But yeah. I need to get new tools because this is the only thing I have. Okay, so I just loosened those lug nuts. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Those were hard. I need to invest in an impact gun. I might need to change it more often because if I do get in trouble by the popos, then I might have to put the stock wheels back on.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side after my lunch. I'm gonna go out and get some... I dropped. But I'm gonna go out to get some food because it is 1 o'clock. No, it's not 1 o'clock, but it's 11 o'clock and I'm hungry. Yeah. But I'm not gonna show you guys what it is right now. I'll show you guys later once the other one is in too, because the height difference, if you guys see from the back, it's a little weird. I don't know if you guys can see it from the camera, but this side is a little lifted up than that side. So it's not really there yet, but once I put the other side in, I'm pretty sure it's gonna even out. But I'll just give you guys a sneak peek. That's a chunky tire. Kind of coming out, but it doesn't come out from the top. Like the alignment and all, it looks good. Alright guys, so food was good. I'm a little tired, kind of in a food coma. So for this tire, we're pretty much gonna switch it out like this. Okay, so here it is. Here's the car with the slicks on, with the race stars on. It's a drag pack. I know I'll be able to hook more. I had to clean it up a little because they were dirty, obviously. Don't mind the calipers, they're actually pretty shit as well. So I have to redo those. This is sitting pretty good, not too bad. Let's really look at the distance. My feet can't go inside. So it's just my toes that are sticking in. So yeah, I was initially going for these, but brand new race stars with the Mickey Thompson's ET3Rs are like expensive. Yeah, when I was going for these, when I was searching for these on different platforms, different social media to find these, I was actually looking for Raystars or VMS wheels. I actually like the way both of those looked. I think VMS looks a little bit better, but I actually couldn't complain about how much these were. I found these first, so I'm actually really happy with these. I don't know, maybe in the future I might go for VMS wheels, but these ones are perfectly fine. But for the tires, this is actually the best tire for American cars or for street cars, especially the AT Street Rs, or if you're going for 305s. 305, either these or the R888s are the best. And when you look at it like this, it actually looks really good. And if you were to see it in this angle, you can see a beefy ass tire at the back, which actually looks really nice. I want to do some digs, mainly because that's when hopefully it doesn't spin in first or second gear, and hopefully I get a faster 0 to 60 time. I'm actually trying to do some pulls and stuff, but there's so much traffic. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know why the camera's not focusing, but yeah. And it is prime time. It is 4:30 right now, so people get off work and people, you know. But look at the ugly ass Mustang in the back. It's that Mac E, whatever, that electric. I can't just get over how badass these actually look. I don't know, but you guys can hear the idle sounds a lot better. I think it's because of E30. I'm not sure, but Ryan did text me that he increased the ignition timing, but I don't want to get into that nerdy stuff. So this actually looks so badass, like no cap. Damn. So guys, we're back in Mexico streets. I know you need the road to be prepped for these tires and wheels to be used the best, but I can't do that over here. I'm not the drag strip either, so yeah, I'm just gonna test them all on the street. So yeah, let's just test it out. Legit had traction and I wasn't spinning. I swear to God, that was like the fastest 0 to 60 I've ever been in a car. Like no joke. So I have done pulls, but that didn't record. But one thing is that these tires actually are a bit louder than the previous tires that I had, and they actually are a lot smoother, like when you're doing a pull or when you're going at a high speed. And the 305 tire actually is a lot better than the 275 on this horsepower.